Her money holders, be alert, don't skip any second of this video. Try to understand what I talk you in this video. What's the predicate, my friend, and of coming days they going up or they feels down, and what's the target of her money, my friend, which time they starting moving up. Kindly don't skip any second of this video to you understand. If you are my subscriber, you are my old viewer, then absolutely you are my brother, and don't skip any second. And if you are new on our channel, first of all, please click the subscribe button and press bell icon for videos notification to you are also my brother. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my YouTube channel. So how many holders, come to the point. This time, my friend, you can see your all crypto market is very badly fails down, and there are two big reasons, my friend. I explain you. The first big reason is that, my friends, to all cryptocurrencies is very badly fails down in the start of month. So definitely this is the start of May, this is the start of month. So therefore I think you can see here this time also in the last 1 hour they completely fails down. So in the last 24 hour also they fails down, but this time you can see here I already opened the last 1 hour chart. The latest current time you can see here minus 1.92% they fails down. So definitely, my friend, and especially in those days every crypto coin very badly fails down, especially Dogecoin, one of the viral coin, this time also fails down. So my friends, what we do in this current situation, this is the one reason I explain you. Please, you just skip any second of this video. I completely explain you, my friend. The second reason, come to the point. The second reason is that to people starting selling. Exactly, my friend. If people starting selling, then they go and fails very fastly. So therefore this is the end of in the end of month every holder starting selling. So definitely at the end of month some my friends also starting selling. So therefore I know, my friends, to especially short time investor starting selling very fastly because he want a more profit. So therefore, my friend, in this time in the end of month the price is very high, my friend. So therefore people, especially holders, especially short time investor holders starting selling. So kindly, my friend, if you are a short time investor, then definitely these days are good for you to use to sell it. But if you are a long time investor like me, especially, I cannot sell it, and especially in 2021 I sell it, and 2025 or 2025 or 2021 or 2022, my friend. So don't sell it. I hope the price is going to hit $1 just in this year. So kindly wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. So let's check out, my friend, the last 24-hour chart to what's going on in the last 24-hour. Her money one holder. I hope you understand what I talk you in this video. Okay, so this time, my friend, you can see here they are also fails down in the last 24 hour, and they resistance line fails down. So therefore you can see here they change occur as minus 16.38% fails down. So definitely very high change occur. The price is also very badly fails down, decrease now. The price is decreasing now. But please remember, holders, if you just wait 1 week, I hope, my friend, they moving up like a rocket and they change occur is in positive, I hope. So kindly, if you are new on our channel, please subscribe this channel. I update you every time. Every good news or bad news I update you. You just press bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.